Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve the expression 9 divided 3 bracket 3 plus 0. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people fail to solve this and they solve it like this: 9 divide 3, 3, and then bracket 3 plus 0, 3, and 3 plus 0 is 3, and they do the multiplication and they get 9, which is correct answer, but the approach is wrong because you have to follow certain rule. So here I am going to use PEMDAS rule, which say that you have to first solve the parenthesis. So 9 divided by 3, 3 plus 0. First you have to solve the bracket. Here 3 plus 0 is 3, and then there is a multiplication sign in between them. Now here you can use PEMDAS rule or PEMDAS rule both. First you can give priority to multiplication and division, but you have to give priority while solving from left to right. From left to right, here 9 divide 3 and then times 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So in this case only you get the same answer by both the approaches. But the correct way to solve this is the order of operation. So I hope it's clear and you learned something new. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.